National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Roselle, or near Hanover Park, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, and O'Hare Airport. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 292 and 294. Interstate 88 between mile markers 139 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 84. Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 54. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 54. Interstate 355 between mile markers 25 and 30. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Oakton Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Triton College, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Harper College, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Wheaton College, Wrigley Field, the Loop, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm